know that change management is hard, especially when there's people involved. And although, yes, ServiceChannel is a software, we know that on both the front and the back end of this, there are people. And so we work really hard to build a strategy with our customers to help them put a plan in place to get their operations teams buy-in. And so we work with them to identify what they do today. And so although they are implementing a new process, we also need to get to know what happens today before ServiceChannel, so that way we can help them identify the key differences in terms of what's actually changing for the operations team. And so we're able to really build a plan to put it in place in as easy a way as possible for them, to make sure that it works for them, that they're happy, but most importantly, that there's buy-in and that they're excited about ServiceChannel.